Welcome to Campground Views. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the site to its full advantage. The first thing you need to do is log in. Simply click the login button, enter your details, whatever those may be, do the little math problem, click login. Once you're logged in, the way you know you're logged in is if you click here, these three arrows, you'll see your name come up here. All you have to do is click My Account, and within here you can actually set your profile image and upload a photo for use within the site. You also have your other details here also underneath My Account. What people really like to check out first are the virtual tours, and we've given you a direct link to them. Simply click all of the campground virtual tours and you'll jump directly to that page where all the campground virtual tours are located. Now, a few things here. There are pages of these, in fact 47 pages of campgrounds with virtual tours. Not super useful if you're just looking for a particular area, and there's a few ways to filter down. First, you can use the search bar and target an area. You type it in, click search, and it'll search that area. And over here on the map where you see the little blue icons, it'll show you the icons of all the campgrounds that have virtual tours on them. You can click over here on the map, or you can scroll down in the list here, and you can then click on one of those locations. A new tab will open up, linking you to that campground page. Once that page loads, you scroll down, the virtual tour will load up, you hit play, you will watch. Once the ad completes, the virtual tour will update, it'll get its information, and then you can hit play and begin interacting with the tour. As the tour goes, you'll say, oh, this looks just like a YouTube video. But what you can do is click on the screen and then move it like a 360 view, like a Google Street View. You can look all around, up, down, left, or right, all around. I'm controlling that view, by the way. And as you come to sites, you'll see those little markers. If you click on that marker, it gives you details about what that site is, any one of these markers. If you click visit, it takes you into either the underlying reservation engine or more information about the campsite itself. There's a search bar here, so if you're looking at a particular site on the reservation system, like site E245, you can type that 45 in there, click on E245, and you are now looking directly at that campsite. Pretty powerful stuff, right? There's also an overhead map. If you click that, you can quickly drag and jump into loops. This is useful when you're looking at a particular loop or a particular area. If you click on any one of those sites within that loop, you'll jump up to it. You're now there looking at that site, and you can hit play to continue on through the campground. Powerful, powerful stuff. Some of the other details about this. There's a speed controller here, so if we're going too slow, speed it up. If we're going too fast, slow it down. You have the ability to do complete speed control of however fast you want to cruise through that campground. One of the features we do have, and I don't believe it's available on this site, is if we have the data, you can actually select your dates to stay, and when you update it, it'll actually update the information on this map. And in this case, we don't have that data available to us, so we're not able to change the details. When we do, we can show you green and red icons. That's how you grab and interact with virtual tours, utilizing search. The other way you can do it is you can use these filters. When you click this and drop it down, you can actually change filters. So if you're only looking for virtual tours with sites that have sewer hookups, you can select that and it'll filter it down. The other thing you can also do is click here at the region. It'll drop down and give you state names. So you can look at California, there's 293. It'll bring up where those parks are at. There's 9 around Mammoth Lakes. You can select there. And you're now looking at the 9 campgrounds and RV parks around Mammoth Lakes where we have virtual tours available for you to use. Again, click on any one of these campgrounds, drop it to the information page. Once the virtual tour loads, you will be able to access that virtual tour after watching the commercial. These tours are very powerful. You now have access to them. Go check them out today.